The Vision Pro has been out since February of 2024, and since then there have been quite a few great use cases for it. However, it's pretty clear that the headset hasn't been a hit among VR enthusiasts and consumers, which makes sense because of that insane price. But I really do think the experience is like no other headset that I've ever used. The screens are beautiful for consuming content, and the user experience is much more stable than anything that the minds at Meta could come up with. Anyways, I think it sucks that we're in a time where the headset is still pretty niche. So let's talk about what Apple needs to actually do to get this headset to sell. Would anything I mention here actually work? I don't know, but it's still worth thinking about, I think. First of all, that price needs a huge drop. No sane person is spending $3,500 on one single product, let alone a headset with a tiny user base. I think maybe $1,000 or $1,500 would be an easier pill to swallow, especially if it maintains those beautiful OLED almost 4K displays. Next up is making the headset much lighter than it currently is. 650 grams on your face for more than an hour or so can get pretty tough. For reference, the Quest 3 is 515 grams, but its slim profile and head strap are designed to make it feel lighter. I have no clue how they'd go about doing this, but it's likely that a Vision Air would redesign the internals and use lighter materials to get a lighter device to wear. More things to do on the headset would be much appreciated too. People use the Quest 3 for gaming, which it's definitely good at. The Vision Pro on the other hand is great for productivity, but gaming is kind of non-existent on there, excluding ALVR for PC VR streaming and some decent VR games on the store. They would never actually do this, but Apple would get people even just a little interested if they added official Steam VR support to the headset. This wouldn't happen on the Vision Pro since it's more meant for developers and early adopters, but maybe a more consumer-focused version of the Vision Pro could do just that. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you think about all this stuff. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.